guys, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another cleaning video. Today's video I am cleaning out the fridge and the pantry and just making it all nice and neat and tidy before I do the groceries later on, and you'll just see how I wipe everything over for after I come back from the grocery shop. But I hope this video gives you all the motivation that you need today. I hope you've had a lovely week, and if you are new around here, hello, my name is Michelle. I am a mum to 3 gorgeous children. I live in sunny Queensland, Australia with my husband Chris and our 3 beautiful kids, and here on my channel I do lots of cleaning and organising and basically a whole lot of mum motivation to keep me motivated and to motivate you guys as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy the music I chose today, and I'm going to stop chatting and let's get cleaning.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. You love, you love, you love. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. You love, you love, you love. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. My hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. Thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling.
Oh my god.
What?
Is this even filming? Oh my god.
What?
I'm going to vomit. This is like, oh my. I'm going to take you with me. I'm going to take my sister. Can you see it? I was just on the phone to my sister and I had to show her how gross that is disgusting. I was wondering why the drawer wasn't opening properly. That's what it is. A disgusting, revolting carrot. Just keeping it real with you all. The Kaylas are animals. Yuck.
It's gonna feel like
So as you can see, there's a whole lot of water and a whole lot of ice in here, and I'm not sure if it's because there was that revolting carrot stuck under the tray and I hadn't cleaned it out the last couple of times, but the main reason why I pulled that tray out was because it kept getting stuck. So I'm just going to scrape all the ice off. Hopefully this problem is solved now, but I will admit, ever since we bought this fridge, we had nothing but trouble with it. We bought it from brand new, and it has been repaired 2 times now, and we've only had it for 2 years. So I wouldn't recommend this fridge. I don't know if we just got a lemon, but it certainly drives me crazy, this fridge.
It was years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. We got drunk and smoked your dad's cigarettes. Dreamt of a life in a big town, skyscrapers and neon lights. Ooh, I still think of you.
So if this is your first time watching one of my videos, we are halfway through our kitchen renovation. So the kitchen cabinets have been painted, but we are still yet to install our farmhouse sink and to do all the skirting boards. So that's why it's a bit of a mix match at the moment. And also apologies for my pants. They are covered in cat fur. I have 2 ragdoll cats. A man even commented to me, because I did the groceries in these pants, that I had obviously had cats because there's so much cat fluff on them. I don't think I'll be wearing them again in another video, but they seem to attract a lot of cat fur, which upsets me because they are the most comfiest yoga pants ever. But if that's triggering you, I'm so sorry. But yeah, that's life with ragdoll cats. But I thought I'd do something different today. I am going to do a couple of this or that questions throughout this video. So I'll give you my answers, and then you guys can give your answers in the comments below. That way we can get to know each other a little bit better. But I'm going to play some music for a little bit, and then I will ask you guys a couple of questions. So my first this or that question, if you had a choice between these 2 chores, which one would you choose? If it was washing up or doing the laundry. Mine would have to be the laundry. I am one of those crazy people that love doing the laundry. I hate washing up. I think it's because we didn't have a dishwasher when we grew up, and my sister and I always fought over washing up and drying up, and I always was the person that would dry up. So I just hate doing the dishes, and I'm so grateful that we have a dishwasher, but I definitely am laundry all the way.
And you're doing the same. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where your heart is fire. But baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. 'Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm, and I know I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. But if the sky would open up, you're staying home, you don't get out. You always used to love the rain, but LA changed you. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where your heart is fire. But baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. 'Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm, and I know I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. No rain, no flowers.
So my second this or that is summer or winter. I love summer, but I do not like how hot it has been the last few summers. So I do enjoy the winter months of like cozier clothes and stuff like that. But I would have to say summer because here in Australia, well, we live in Queensland, and Queensland, I would have to say, would have to be one of the most beautiful states here in Queensland. So it's always kind of warm. So really, technically, our winters are almost some states and some countries' summers. But I hate getting up in the morning in winter, and I hate getting out of the shower in winter when it's freezing cold. So I am definitely a summer person, although I do appreciate the coziness of winter.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. I never left the store.
So my third question for today is this or that, meal plan or not to meal plan. I enjoy meal planning. I don't do it all the time, and the weeks that I don't meal plan, I find that I waste a lot of food in the fridge, or I forget what we have. Whereas if I go through the fridge like I've done today and the freezer, and I've prepared the meals, there's a lot less wastage, and I'm more motivated to make those meals as well, and I know that I've got to make that for the day or prep it. When I'm not prepared, I'm a little bit more luxy daisy with dinner, and it kind of throws me off. So I am definitely a meal planner, but I'm also, though, I guess I'm quite flexible as well. If we don't feel like that actual meal for that night, we might change things around, or I might actually go to the supermarket and buy something else. So this or that, what would be your ideal evening? Either being at home, all rugged up and cozy on the lounge, candles lit, watching a good movie, or out and about having drinks and getting all dressed up. I am a definite homebody. I love being at home. I love nothing more than a cozy home at night, and the lamps are all on like that, and to sit down and watch a good movie or a series, or I do love Escape to the Country. I love watching that. But I do love going out and seeing my friends as well, but I am a definite homebody. So I would love to know, are you a homebody or do you love getting out and about?
I'm being so dramatic. I'm always being so dramatic. This town is quiet when it's late. This town is quiet. Sadness, I can see the moon. I know that I'll be fine here. Things get complicated, but I know we'll be alright. You will tell me I'm wrong, but I know we are strong. Sadness, I can see the moon. I know that I'll be fine here. This town is quiet when it's cold, yeah. This town is quiet when the snow is on the ground. I'm outside, gonna stay here. I'm outside until you tell me to stop. I'm being so dramatic. I'm always being so dramatic. This town is quiet when it's cold, yeah. This town is quiet. Sadness, I can see the moon. I know that I'll be fine here. Things get complicated, but I know we'll be alright. You will tell me I'm wrong, but I know we are strong. Sadness, I can see the moon. I know that I'll be fine Sadness, I can see the moon. I know that I'll be fine here. Things get complicated, but I know.
So my final this or that question for today's video is, are you a morning person or a night owl? I am 100% a morning person. I will never ever sleep in anything past 7 o'clock. If like that would be my sleep in. I love getting up early. I think it's because it's my quiet time before everyone else gets up in the house and I get to enjoy my coffee. But I've always been an early bird. Even when I was little and I used to sleep over at my grandparents' house, I used to love getting up early and having a cup of tea with my grandma before my sister would wake up and having that me time with my grandma. So I am a definite morning person, and I am one to be watching TV on the couch at night and to fall asleep. So I am a definite morning person. I just love the morning. I would love to know, are you a morning or an evening person?
I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. can go back, play it in my mind. A movie of us two, yeah, we were happy at the time. Can't remember.
Those two spray bottles that you can see, I picked up at Aldi when I did the groceries, and they smell amazing. One is a multi-purpose spray and the other one is a fabric freshness spray, and I think it may be like a dupe of Febreze, but it smells so good. And how cheeky is William pinching a clinker? Who loves clinkers? I love them. Who likes biting on them and guessing of what color you're going to get? But I had no idea that he was actually pinching a clinker, and then I realized
Did you really open them?
I'm realizing he was cheeky, stealing a clinker when I wasn't looking.
Be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. Do you remember when we went to Paris in July? Got stuck out in the rain, but we danced around and didn't mind it. So young and reckless, baby, you and I fit just like a glove, but I guess that's over now. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go away, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go away, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go away, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I hope it gave you some cleaning motivation, even if you just pull out that bottom drawer in your fridge today and check that there's nothing gross hiding below. And I hope that if you are new and you haven't already clicked that subscribe button, I would love for you to do so and join my YouTube family. And to those who have been along for the ride for a while, I'd like to say thank you so much for being here and watching my videos. It means the world to me, and I would love for you to click that thumbs up button if you did enjoy today's video. But I hope you really did enjoy it, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye guys!